Hi there. Okay, for this practice, we want to go through a short 10 minutes stress reducer, tension reducer through body movement. And the way we're going to do this is just some gentle body movements that's going to be able to release cortisol, adrenaline, just help calm our nervous system. So the first thing you want to do is get an assessment of your body and what's happening now. So just kind of settle, tune into yourself, and understand, like maybe on a 1 to 10 level, where your tension is at on that scale. So is it a 7? Is it an 8? And where are you feeling it? You know, is your chest tight, or is your stomach tight, or is there a headache? Just get a sense of where that's at before we begin. Deep breath and exhale. Okay, let's begin. So just want to encourage you to rub your hands together. Just move them back and forth. Just get some energy flowing within them. I'm standing, knees relaxed, not locked, feet shoulder width apart. Just rubbing. Okay, do the backs of my hands a little bit. We're just trying to get some energy flowing in our body. Okay, stop and hold that 6-8 inches apart and just feel. Do you feel some tingling there? Right, feel that's just kind of getting some energy flowing in your hands, just warming ourselves up and bringing our attention to ourselves to help begin to release some of that tension. All right, so next thing I want to do, take your hand and just begin to shake it. I got my right hand up. I'm just shaking, okay? Just shaking. Raise that arm and shake. Just continue to inhale through your nose. Exhale deeply. All right, now take that arm all the way down as you continue to shake. Just shaking it out. Up and down. All right, let's move to the left. Up, shake. Just discharging stress hormones from our body, moving it down now, back up. Just increasing our capacity to deal with life's challenges by helping our body to release things that are pent up and stuck inside of us. That moves from our body up, settling our emotions, settling our mind. Just take that down. All right, so now let's do both. Just do both. Okay, so what this does, again, is just stimulate our nerves. Nervous system running from the base of our brain down our spine to our pelvis. It has nerves, thousands of them running out from there, and we're just doing that. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit more body movement doing. So I want you to get your legs involved. Okay, I'm going up and down, just dropping. I'm going up on my toes, dropping down. Dropping down. Let's pick it up a notch. We're going to hop. Continuing to shake. Just let those arms go free. And stop. Okay, just notice how your body's feeling now compared to where we began. What are you feeling inside? Okay, now I said like that nervous system and your spine So we want to work on our spine a little bit more. So we're just going to do a gentle swing, side to side. When fight or flight mode kicks in, that tension builds, and it often just builds along our spine. So we can feel stiff in the neck, shoulders, upper back, lower back, into the hips, all generating from that, kind of tension that build up and that surge that occurred. And so now we're just loosening up, releasing that. Just let your arms flow free. Head's moving side to side. Gentle breathing. Just going through the swings. There you go. All right. Okay, from the arms swinging freely, now we want to use them to knock, tap on our body. Okay, so they're going to knock side to side in our kidneys and liver and spleen. Okay, so just tapping. One's doing front, one's doing back. When we have tests, stress and tension, one thing that happens is that it can impact our digestion because our body is sending resources to other parts, for the fight or flight mechanism. And it takes it away from some of our systems like digestion. And so getting our kidneys activated once again through tapping, knocking on them lightly, gently, just helps them to start up and our body to just relax. It's returning to what it normally should do, normal state. Okay, we've got that. Now, keep the back one going. We're going to move up to the chest though with the other one. So kidneys and chest. Kidneys and chest. Very good. All right. Let's do a little different rhythm. We're going to go to the back and of our shoulder. Okay, so we want to get that spot and the rib. So back of shoulder, rib on the other side. Chinese medicine says that the back of the shoulder is actually a point that impacts your blood pressure. And so by tapping the back of your shoulder, you can actually begin to lower your blood pressure. Just again, we're stimulating our nerves as we tap, helping our body to understand we're here, we're okay, we're in this moment, we can return to a homeostasis. Okay, doing that tapping. All right, let's take a moment, shake it out again. How you feeling compared to where you started? Just get an assessment of that. We want to end with some breathing and arm movements to just help unwind before we settle. We want to go to sleep, we want to rest, we want to continue on with our day. Okay, so hands are down at my waist. I'm going to raise them up as I breathe in. They go out, I exhale fully. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, Exhale. Let's do it again. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, let's switch directions now. So we're starting at the bottom, breathing in. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. My knees are slightly bent. Shoulders are back. My posture is good. Let's do one more. Okay. Let's just assess now. You can put one hand on your abdomen, around your belly button, your thumb at the belly button, the other hand on your chest area. Just breathing in, we're assessing how we feel compared to where we started. The goal was that we made some progress. You know, if we were, again, at 7 or 8 in that tension level, hopefully we went down to 5 or 4. We just gained some peace. We feel settled. Might feel a little bit of energy flowing because we've stirred our circulation system, and we've begun to regulate our nervous system, and you know, we've tapped on some points. We've just returned our body to that state of balance, homeostasis. Again, the idea is not that we're going to get rid of all our stressors, but that we need to discharge the cortisol, adrenaline, and by doing that, we're building capacity to be with those stressful moments. You're going to have stress. You're going to have events in your life. We want to be with them, and we want to sleep well at night. We want to be able to settle, be our best selves. So here we go. All right? All right, that's the practice for today. Hopefully that was helpful for you. We'll see you next time.